Jim, it's Tuesday here again with another episode of Animal Jam. And we're at the Bird of Paradise party, and he's already one bird. And I've already found all things at Paradise, so there's one. So come down here and there's one of them. And now, sorry if there's any noise or clicking in the background. And now a bird will just pop up here and keep jumping around. Oh, and here's the other bird. He will dance and go to touch him pretty quick. Next is me. So there's a bird that pops up around here in this place, and there's a bird there, and you've got to kind of catch it. And another bird will fly here. Then, oh, well, that's really random. And then a little blue paradise bird will jump on here. And then, okay, so here, there's a bird that climbs this little stick. And I think it's all. Okay, let's go to the bird of paradise. Oh yeah, so I said this one, and yes, spoilers, you win this. This, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so these two look alike, but they're not the same. Okay, let's keep going. I made a video a long time ago, and I don't remember where the rest is. Oh, there's one there. And that bird is this one. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry if you could hear any talking in the background. I was just talking to someone, which really pissed me. I'm really sorry about that. Anyway, I'm sorry I had to take a long time. I made this video long ago, and I do not remember where all the birds are. The ones that I'm stuck on is this one. So there's two birds that sit in a tree, like coffee tree. They're like in here, they're not in there. They're like in one of the trees, like big trees. Like here. So there's one, and that one is, I think that one was this one. And the greater bird of paradise is in here, I think. I'm not really sure, but I'm pretty sure it's in those trees. Now where is that little bird that sits in that tree all day? Sorry about the lag, but there is a little small bird that sits in a tree all day, all alone, and like, if you can find the little antenna bird, I'm really sorry about the lag. That the lucky people. And yeah. Okay, so if you can find this channel bird, that's great, and please comment down below where it is. Anyways, I hope this video helped you, and I'm going to have to end it. I hope this video helped you, and anyways, bye Janice! I hope this helped you, and please subscribe, comment, and like. Bye!